In this problem, we want to solve each compound inequality and then graph a solution set. So we got 8 times x minus 2 plus 4 is less than 3, or negative 4 times x minus 1 is less than 2. Well, our first step, get rid of parentheses. We're going to take the 8, multiply it times the x, and times the negative 2, using the distributive property. 8 times x is 8x, 8 times negative 2 is negative 16, plus 4 is less than 3. Our note up at top said at any step combine together numbers. Negative 16 plus 4 is negative 12, it's less than 3. Second step, get rid of fractions, don't have any. Third step, get everything with an x on one side, or on the left side, numbers on the right side. So I'll take negative 12 and move it to the right side. So we've got 8x is less than 3 plus 12. Again, you take anything across your inequality, the sign changes. So negative 12 becomes a positive 12. 3 plus 12 is 15. Last step, divide both sides by a number in front of your x, which is 8. Those 8's going to cancel, and we got x is less than 15 eighths. Now over in this other one, we'll go through the same 4 steps. First step is to get rid of parentheses. It's distributive property. I'm going to take the negative 4, times x and times negative 1. Negative 4 times x is negative 4x. Negative 4 times negative 1 is a positive 4. It's less than 2. Second step, get rid of fractions. Don't have any. Third step, get everything with x on the left side, numbers on the right. So I'll take the 4 and move it to the right side. And we got negative 4x is less than 2 minus 4. Combine numbers at any step. 2 minus 4 is negative 2. Our last step is to divide both sides by a number in front of your x, which is negative 4. And remember, if we divide both sides by a negative number, we flip our inequality symbol. So less than becomes a greater than. So we got x is greater than. Those negatives cancel, and 2/4 reduces to 1/2. Okay, 1/2. That's right here. 15 eighths would be right there. X is greater than 1/2. Parentheses on there, and then I shade to the right. Remember, the only time you put a bracket is when there's a line underneath the inequality symbol, like greater than or equal to. Now 15 eighths. X is less than 15 eighths. Parentheses on the 15 eighths, and I shade to the left because it's less than. Now we're dealing with an or, and or is where anything is shaded. Well, it's shaded everywhere. So our answer is going to be negative infinity to positive infinity.